Hello everyone, welcome to Making Sawdust. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my planer table and why I decided to build it. This is my planer and it's a Win 6550 12.5 inch dual blade model. It's about 2 years old. I use it frequently. But one of the disadvantages with a benchtop planer is the short in-feed and out-feed tables that contribute to snipe. So my solution to this was to build longer tables. One of the very first things you have to do is remove your in-feed and out-feed tables. As with many benchtop planers on the market today, from the most reputable brand or even the most favored based on its color, snipe is inevitable. Comparing other brands, some may leave more snipe and some a little bit less. There are many methods for reducing it, but not completely eliminating it sometimes. And a planer table is one that can be a crucial element for reducing your snipe. Most of my jigs and fixtures that I build for my shop are built using recycled or repurposed materials. This MDF I salvaged from an end table that was on the side of the road and had a broken glass top. That's what I am milling up right here, and that is going to be the sides of my torsion box. I have a very limited amount of this material, so it was important that I plan my design for the boxes to accommodate how much material I actually had to work with. So careful planning and good design came into play there. This is the beginning of my layout, and I'm just marking the center of my hardboard, which was 47.5 inches long. If you decide to make a table yourself, I would recommend that you design yours for your specific model and not refer to my exact dimensions. This is a pretty basic box assembly, and it is glued and screwed, and of course using pilot holes and countersinking holes during the assembly. Meet Dave. Dave's a piece of coal with some googly eyes, and he's the mascot for Making Sawdust channel. Say hi to Dave. Once the boxes are assembled, I position them accordingly and glue and pin nail the hardboard to the frames or the boxes. I also make sure the heads of the nails are not protruding with a light and decisive tap of the hammer. The finished table slides into place above the planer bed, and we are ready to test it out. This is some old growth Douglas fir, about 50 years old, that I'm actually going to use for some table legs that's coming up on Making Sawdust channel, and it's going to be a trestle table build. Here you see the finished product. I only lose about 1/4 inch of overall cutting thickness or planing thickness. Depending on your model planer and how much snipe you get on yours and how you design your table assembly, I think it is a valuable addition to any woodworking arsenal. So thanks for joining me today, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing for new content weekly, including tips and tricks, custom projects, and a visit from Dave the Dude in every episode. Click that bell for all of the notifications, and also share this with your friends on social media. And as always, get out in the shop and start making sawdust.